And at number 1, ang nanguna, ang pinaka-yummy in Cebu is STK Tabay.
Kung sa Manila, usong-uso ang dampa style of eating, dito naman Cebu, bidang-bida ang STK o sutokil, sugba, tuwa o tinola, at kilawin. STK Tabay sa Paulito's Seafood House.
Cebu is famous for the STK or Sutukil, an acronym that represents the 3 types of preparing fresh seafood. Su is suba, which means to grill on charcoal. Tu is tuwa, or to simmer in broth or tinola. And kil is kilaw, or to serve raw.
The STK Tabay sa Paulito Seafood House was established on September 2002. It was just a small place. It was just our garage up front with just about 5 dishes.
Not to be confused with the STK in Mactan, STK Tabay, I love doing that, is an ancestral house turned resto located near the capital site. Visit it, please. It's yummy.
Ma'am Rhea, dito pa lang sa restaurant, parang ang dami na talagang nangyayari, ha? So, grabe, may chorizo, tapos ano po ito?
That's pork.
That's pork.
Squid.
Oh, there's squid.
Yes,
My
scallops.
God, Ma'am Rhea, where are you? Sarap. Puputok yung chorizo sa loob.
Then we can have the soup. This is tula, tinola. This is the fish head. And then this is lukot, seaweeds. A kind of seaweed and all the vegetables, ganyan.
So, tikman na natin ang tuwa, o tula, o tinola, Cebu style. Wow! Talagang lasang-lasang seafood.
Oo.
Talagang hindi siya masyadong maalat, hindi siya masyadong maasim, pero tamang-tama.
Ito, yung kinilaw with gata.
Ay, wow! With coconut.
Yes.
Coconut milk.
Right now, the fresh fish is black marlin.
Black marlin, but how come it's not black?
Maybe yung skin niya muna black. And then yung meat niya is ganyan.
Bato.
So, luto siya sa vinegar.
Pero binabad siya muna.
Oo.
This is my first time to eat raw fish.
O, di ba?
Surprisingly, masarap siya. At lalo na nung merong gata. Wow! The best, panalo.
And then we have here the baked scallops.
Oo nga. The presentation is very nice.
Masarap din talaga yung meat niya as compared to tahong.
Lami. Uy.
Samoy pa lang, lami na.
Ay! Oh my God. Panalo.
So the awesome panga.
Oh my God. Buong ano mang to no? Buong panga po
Buong
talaga
panga.
ito ng tuna.
Tuna.
Of course, smell first. Yan, lami. Uy. Oh my God. Membot yung laman.
Yung laman. Especially yung inside.
Juicy.
Juicy, yes, that's right.
Oh my God, it's juicy grilled panga there. Really good.
If you want to experience the ultimate in Cebu dining, Kaun na Tao at STK Tabay, located at number 6 Orchid Street, capital site, Cebu City.
Amazing!